So you want to make money on the internet, on the World Wide Web. And you've been trying everything. But now your head is overloaded with useless information. You're told you should be doing social media marketing, but that doesn't work for you. So your mind gets confused and you feel boxed in. But the wheels keep on turning, like some old gramophone record going round and round. Still, you've made a few pennies, but it's just not enough. You know you're going nowhere except into the pits of gloom. So it's time to get smart. Know that making money is a numbers game. The more numbers, the more sales. And you sell with words. So you discover writing emails, winning emails, sales generating emails. And then you discover how to become a millionaire. How to get it all. You discover Email Millionaire. It's a license to print money. Visit us now at emailmillionaire.co.uk.